And then, of course, the waitress would be like, hey y'all, and welcome to Hot Chocolate Chat. Today I'm drinking a hot chocolate from Starbucks, and I'm going to share with you guys another weird thing that I made my kids do. When the kids were younger, we'd go to a restaurant, we'd be at the table and be laughing and talking and just, whatever. And then the waitress would walk up and I would go, and then all the kids would go and just stop talking and just stare straight ahead. And then, of course, the waitress would be like, I really don't remember why or how that started. I just know that we did that a lot. And all the kids did it. And we'd just be laughing and talking at the table, and I'd go, and then all the kids would go, just like, sometimes the wait staff would just like not know what to do in that situation. Because I don't think they were ever trained for that. But we, on the other hand, thought it was hilarious. We just thought it was so funny. But that's not weird, is it? That's what I wanted to talk about today. Another weird thing that me and the kids did. Do you think it's weird? If you want to stalk me on Snapchat, it's Side of Awesome. And on Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter, it's Side of Awesome 5. But just don't stalk me in real life, though. Because that's creepy.